Southwest now, FIJI 890 Heavy is visual 36 left. FIJI 890 Heavy, the entire runway 36 left, clear to land with 34018, just 23. Clear to land 36 left, FIJI 890
All right, there's Fiji's call out. If this 767 doesn't move, we should all throw eggs at it.
2929 RNAV 2 Haskell, runway 36 right, clear, take off. Keep it 2550 Heavy,
It's
runway
moving.
36 right.
It's moving. Will it move fast enough? This is why Thursday will be better. Winds are gusting, I think I heard 2-4. So, love these winds today. Perfect day. Welcome to DFW Fiji Airways. In the words of my friends from Tonga, Feifei Hake. There it is.
Two pictures. GPS 2550 Heavy, RNAV 2 Haskell, runway 36 right, clear, take off.
Touchdown.
Record 1068, right at Echo 2, and then hold short runway 36 right at Whiskey Kilo.
Right, Echo 2, hold short 36 right at Whiskey Kilo, American.
Record 1820 DSO center caution, weight turbulence, spawn heavy Airbus 350 on 3 1 final, runway 36 left, clear to land, wind 34016, gust 23.
Okay, copy the
What are we waiting for next?
Boola. Boola. Thank you, Telly. I only know Tongan.
What are you waiting for next?
Well, we'll watch it, see if it gets the, let's give it the round of applause. We should give it a round of applause.